In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add checkboxes in Obsidian so you can easily create to-do lists, organize tasks, and keep track of important items right inside your notes. Let's get straight into it. If you are using Obsidian on Windows, you can quickly insert a checkbox using a simple keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl and L together while your cursor is in the note. A checkbox will instantly appear on that line, ready for you to type your task next to it. For Mac users, the shortcut is just as easy. Press Command and L and you will get the same checkbox right in your note. It's a super convenient way to turn any line into a task without breaking your flow or searching through menus. Using shortcuts like these helps you stay focused and speeds up your note-taking. Once you get used to them, adding checkboxes becomes second nature and managing your lists in Obsidian feels smooth and effortless. It may take a little practice to build that muscle memory, but stick with it. Soon you'll be adding checklists almost automatically. And remember, Obsidian continues to evolve, so it's always worth keeping an eye on updates or community tips that might improve your workflow even more. So, to recap, Ctrl+L on Windows and Command+L on Mac instantly adds a checkbox to your note. It's quick, simple, and perfect for task management inside Obsidian. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful productivity tutorials. Happy note taking!